Now you have your Beanz subscription, you have freshly roasted coffee just like the best cafes use, and all you need to do is get it dialed in. I'm Michael, a UK coffee tasting champion and world coffee tasting finalist, and I'm here to help you dial in your next coffee. Coffee can feel at times like you're in Alice in Wonderland, falling down the rabbit hole, with a seemingly endless well of knowledge to understand and know. Hopefully, with this video, you'll feel more comfortable taking those first steps into learning the foundations of great espresso. Let's dial in the Eclipse by Kickback on the Oracle Touch. Now, assuming you have placed the single wall double shot basket in the portafilter, and you've also chosen to extract a double espresso with both at the same starting point for dialing in your coffee. Here's what my bar setup looks like from accessories to placement. Pause here if you need a minute to set yourself up to brew along. At a minimum, grab a dry towel. This coffee is the classic full-bodied house single origin. It's from Nicaragua, and the roast really accentuates the chocolatey, sweet, nutty profile. For this coffee, we landed on grind setting 18. Grab your portafilter and wipe it out with a clean, dry microfiber cloth. Insert the portafilter into the grinder and gently move it to the right. This will start grinding your coffee into the double shot basket. While this happens, I'm going to purge the group head to remove any residual coffee and refresh the hot water. Press and purge. My starting brew recipe is 19 grams of freshly roasted coffee. We're looking for 25 to 32 seconds of total brew time, which should result in just under 60 mils or grams of espresso into the cup. And just like that, the Oracle Touch grinds, doses and tamps perfectly every time. Wipe off any grounds around the rim of the portafilter and insert it into the group head, and pull until firm to the right, but don't over tighten. Press the double cup button and grab your favourite cup. You shouldn't see the first drop of espresso until around the 8 to 10 second mark. This is because we have pre-infusion. This starts the water at lower pressure to evenly distribute the water throughout the coffee grounds and prevent uneven extraction. If your shot is extracted correctly, it will stop running after 25 to 32 seconds of contact time. That's around 60 mils, 60 grams of coffee. Okay, let's give the coffee a swirl. Not only does this look fantastic, it allows the layers of espresso extraction to combine for a balanced, delicious and well-extracted drink. Did your espresso look and taste like mine? The number one goal of adjusting the grind is either to slow down or speed up the flow of water through the coffee bed. Don't be afraid of this step, we can always adjust it back. If the water is too fast, the coffee may be sour. This is called under extraction. Adjust the grind a couple of notches finer to slow down the water through the bed. If the flow is too slow, the coffee could taste bitter or roasty. This is called over extraction. Adjust the grind a couple of notches coarser to speed up the flow of water through the coffee bed. Over time, all these steps will become second nature, and you'll go from having good coffee sometimes to great coffee every time. And you'll know exactly what you did, and more importantly, why you did it. Explore all our curated specialty coffees at beanz.com by Sage.